Logan, the python, opened one eye as the sun peeked into his burrow. He slithered into the warm forest where the trees swayed slowly. He passed a stone where he often napped, cool and quiet. He followed the scent of flowers blooming under golden light. He greeted a squirrel gathering nuts, who nodded softly. He slid around a puddle that reflected the clouds above. He stretched long across a sunny rock warmed by the sky. He paused beneath a willow tree that swayed with rhythm. A bird sang a note, and Logan listened quietly. He passed mushrooms lined up like a little parade. He circled a bush with berries ripened to a soft glow. He curled into a spiral near a stream and sipped quietly. He watched dragonflies dance above rippling water. He turned back toward the way he came, belly full and calm. He passed the berry bush again, leaves brushing his sides. He slid past the mushrooms, still standing in perfect rows. The bird sang again as Logan returned beneath the willow. The sunny rock waited, warm and welcoming. He circled the puddle, now glowing orange with sunset. The squirrel waved as he passed again, tail flicking. The flower scent returned as stars blinked on. The stone was cool again, just right for rest. Logan slipped back into his burrow, the circle complete. He dreamed of loops and warmth and soft forest songs.